So let me start. So fine then. So good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Online team, good evening. Can you hear me? Come on, quick response. Cool. Yeah. Fine then. As usual, let me prepare a running notes for you guys. Let me walk through that. Okay. So take the same thing, replica. You can just try to 26th 03 dictionary. Okay. One minute. I just formatted my laptop. Good. Let me just kindly spare few minutes. Okay. Yeah. This is upcoming topic. Sir, can I change the status? List we done, tuple we done, and set also we done actually. Now dictionary is a running topic. At last, reminder for package topic. Otherwise, I may forget, sir. Good. Yeah. If anyone joined just now, kindly please wait. I'm preparing running notes actually. So morning, my laptop got stuck and it was small issue. I formatted my laptop. Good. Yeah. Dictionary. Let us continue then. Are you ready? Fine, sir. Thank you for sparing. Let us continue. In Python, so I hope you understand already. We do have a data structures. We do have what exactly, sir? Data structures. The purpose of data structure is storing the data. Next one is what exactly? Processing the data. That's it. Only one point you need to understand. Whenever I'm talking about the data structure, the purpose is only one thing. First one is a storing the data. Next one, processing the data. Good. We do have a different types of data structures, sir. So the first one is list to data structure. Next one, tuple. Next one, sir, tuple or tuple? Set data structure. Next one, dictionary. Good. Dictionary. Yes, good. Now let me tell you. Whenever you are talking about list tuple set, the purpose of the first to three data structure will be storing individual values. Storing what exactly? You may think like, what do you mean by individual? Let me tell you. Yeah, good. Right. Now, let me take a small example. Whenever you are using list, tuple, set, There is a one small similarity you need to understand. What is that similarity? You know, sir, A equals to 10, 20, 30, and B equals to, you can create a tuple 10 comma Daniel you can create, and here you can create 10,000 dot $45, and S equals to, let me create 10, 20, 30. Good. Sir, you know what? There are three data structures I have created. How many data structures I have created actually? Three data structure. Am I right or not? But let me tell you, 10 is a separate value, 20 is a separate value. There is no relation between 10 and 20. Am I right or not, sir? Don't compare, sir. 20 is greater than 10. Come on, please stop that comparison actually. I mean to say that 10, 20, 30, these are all separate value. I would like to say individual value. I would like to say what exactly? Individual value. Hold on this one. If your requirement is I have a only single value and separate second value, third value, then I would like to store the data, go for any data structure. That too depends upon your interest actually. Right. Now let me take a small general example. What is example, you know, sir? Let me take my post graduation. Exactly I started 2007, right? So let us take 1947, sir. What is that one? 1947 I started actually. MCA. I went to college actually. I went to what exactly? I got a MSET seat, not MSET man, ISET actually. Yeah, MSET is for engineering, right? So I got a ISET seat actually. 15,000 out of 2 lakhs I got it. Then I went to college. Now when I went to college for joining, oh, keep in mind that, you know, these are all very, very important. Student underscore ID. First one. Next one is what exactly, you know? Student underscore name. So instead of underscore, you can ignore the underscore. Always the coding is coming actually. Good. Now, initially, whenever you are joining in the college, there are two things are very, very important, man. What is the first one? You know, first student came 101. The student name is something like a Nilima. Next one is 102. The student name is a Nirikshan. And 103. The student name is a Uday. Student name is what exactly? Uday. Now, let me ask a question. When I'm talking about 101, can I say 101 and Nilima both are having relationship actually? Yes, we can say that. Why? Because, you know, every student having the ID, every student having what exactly? ID. Now let me tell you. Hey Daniel, I wanted to store only 101, 102, 103. Then I can suggest you go for list data structure. List is the best actually. And I just wanted to store only names. Nilima, Nirikshan, Uday. Go for list data structure. Otherwise, you can go for set also, tuple also. That is fine. But now let me tell you, I just wanted to store both values in one object. This is seriously interesting. Now the requirement will be, I do have a two values. I just wanted to create one object or variable. Inside that object or variable, I wanted to store two values. The first value is a 101, second value is what exactly? Nilima. Then you have to go for dictionary. Then you have to go for what exactly? Dictionary. Team, are you getting? Good. Now let me tell you. You know, here student ID and the student name. Technically speaking, this is called as a key. This is called as what exactly? Key. And this is called as what exactly, you know? Lock. Am I right? This is value, sir. Key and lock, not lock actually. This is called as a value. I mean to say that whenever you are talking about the student ID, this is called as a key. And the student name is called as what exactly? I will come to the point. Hey, can I say this is the value, this is the key? There is a reason why I'm telling this one and this one. There is a reason. You know what? This key and value is called as a one pair. What is that one, sir? One pair. I mean to say that this is either one pair or one item also you can say. So I will explain step by step actually. Kindly please remember. Now the requirement will be, I just wanted to store the data in the form of key value pair. In the form of what exactly? Key value pair. Then you can supposed to go for what data structure? Dictionary data structure. Sir, the dictionary, the name itself is talking like dictionary. I hope you know, right? Oxford Dictionary. There is a word for that. What exactly? Meaning. Am I right or not, sir? Two things are available. Let me open the material. Online team, can I get a response? Are you following, sir? No response from online team. What happened? Are you with me? Okay, cool, cool. Come on. Dictionary data structure. Understand the topic very well, actually. Please focus. Dictionary data structure. If you wanted to represent group of individual values or objects as a single entity, then we supposed to go for below data structure list set tuple. But if you wanted to represent a group of objects as a what values are key value pair. One more time. Last time. The terminology is important actually. If you wanted to store a group of values like a key value, if you wanted to represent a group of objects or values as a key value pair representation, then we're supposed to go for dictionary. Python always follows shortest notation. Then dictionary is supposed to call something like what exactly? Dict actually. It's very simple. We can create a dictionary by using curly brace. By using what exactly, sir? Now the game started actually. First to point, irrespective of any data structure, you need to understand how to create. Sir, we can create a dictionary data structure by using a curly brace. By using what exactly? There is no other option. Only curly brace symbol you have to use actually. Now let me show you. Now let me just try to create an example. Please focus on this. D equals to dictionary I'm creating. First one is 101. What is the first name, sir? Any idea? Neelima. And the next one is a 102. What is the second value? Nirikshan. Now please observe this one. Here what I'm creating, I'm trying to creating a dictionary. Dictionary we can create by using curly brace. We can create by using what exactly? Curly brace. Inside curly brace, 101 and next one is a Nilima. 102, next one is a Nirikshan, and 103, next one is what exactly? Vodai. Col. 103 column. I will tell you why column is required here actually. Good. Now let us just try to come here. You can just try to print this one. Tell me, sir, type of T actually. Good. Save this example. Let me save this example will be demo1.py. What happened, sir? Thank you. And kindly please help me if any mistake is available. Tell me what went wrong. Everything is valid only, right? Yeah, good. Previously, the file name I'm saving wrong actually. I hope. Now go to command prompt. Go to desktop. Go to programs. Are you ready? Come on, yes. Successfully we created a dictionary data structure. What data structure? Dictionary data structure. Sir, this is called as a dictionary data. First point you need to understand how to create. We can create a dictionary data structure by using curly brace. By using what exactly, sir? Curly brace actually. Hold on, word wrap. Yep. Now just try to come here. Yeah, we can create a dictionary by using curly brace actually. And now you can just try to even check the output actually. This is the output. This is what exactly, sir? Output actually. I will explain step by step. Hold on. Move to the next point. Dictionary function also. Hold on, that I can cover. Dictionary data structure contains key value pairs. Dictionary data structure contains what exactly? Key value pair. Right. Now let us just try to take this one. Now observe here. Sir, here 101 and Nilima. This is called as a pair 1. Pair what exactly? Pair 1. Also called as a item 1. What is that one, sir? Item 1. Same thing like that. Now, what is the next one? Any idea? 102. Next one is a Nirikshan. You may ask a different questions. Hold on. I can cover all points, sir. And this is 103. Tell me this is item 2. Next one is a item 3. I hope you got a clear picture. Let us move on with the discussion. What happened? Yeah. Pair 2. Don't scold me. Pair 2, pair 3. Good. Dictionary data structure contains key value pair. Now it's the right time. You guys need to focus. What is a key and what is a value? Are you guys getting everyone? Good. Please focus. In dictionary, key value pair are separated by using column symbol. What symbol? Whenever you are creating a dictionary, yes, successfully you have created actually. This is called as a one pair. This is called as what exactly? One pair. Also called as a item. This is the technical terminology. What terminology? Key and value pair supposed to be separated by using column symbol. By using what symbol? No, Daniel, I will give semicolon. It is okay, sir. You will get error actually. You will get what exactly? Error. If you want, let me just try to run this example. Few students will ask, yeah, good, man. What exactly it is telling? Syntax. Tell me one more time. Last time. All right. Now just try to come here. Whenever you are creating a dictionary, key value supposed to be separated by using column symbol. Otherwise, we'll get a syntax error. Cool. Next one. One key value pair is called as a item. Good. In dictionary, every item is separated by using what exactly? Sir, pin to pin we are explaining, sir. Right, you know. So the first one, even why we are providing this one also I'm explaining actual. Sir, the same example, let me tell you in a different way. Like this also you can write. If you like more syntactical way, like this also you can write. How you can write, you know? You can just try to come here. You can just try to provide like a indentation. This one also still valid actually. This looks pretty good actually. Am I right or not, sir? Like this also we can write. If you want, you can add one more value. Tell me 104 column. Let me just try to provide a Prasad. There is a small error. What is that error? Any idea? Very good, man. You catch that one actually, comma. I mean to say, create a dictionary, starting curly brace, closing curly brace. In between here, provide one indentation, one indentation, one indentation, next indentation. This looks pretty good. Am I right or not, sir? Right. Now take this example. This example is still valid, you know. Let us just try to execute the example. But don't expect the output like this actually. Are you getting or not? Yeah, good. Now let us just try to take this. Here you can easy to recognize how many key value pairs are available. Otherwise, if the dictionary is like a 1 kilometer, it keep on goes right, like a keep on, it will goes to this direction actually. Good. Move on to the next one. Come on, I'm repeating again. Dictionary data structure we can create by using curly brace and by using a dict predefined function. Dictionary data structure contains key value pairs. And what is a key value pair? Let us focus. In dictionary, key value pair are separated by using a column symbol. One key value pair is called as a item. In dictionary, every item is separated by, tell me, comma symbol. This point is a very important. Please focus on this one. What is the point? You know, go back. Now just try to take this as same thing actually. Take the same thing and focus. Keep it out here actually. Good. Get ready. Sir, can somebody tell me? I'm talking about Nirikshan. What is ID? I'm talking about Nilma. What is ID? I'm talking about 103. What is ID? Oh, that's good. Now hold on. Now again 102. Something like, you know, so Niranjan. Sir, name is matching, right? Kumar. What is the name actually? Kumar. First of all, tell me valid or invalid. Tell me, sir. Why invalid? Tell me. Yeah, that point you need to catch. Whenever you are joining in a college, your college ID is a unique, sir. What is that one? Unique in the sense, you know, it should not be a duplicate. It should not be what exactly? A best example. Let us make it duplicate. I will tell you what is the problem. In this classroom, there are total 4 members who do have. First person ID is 101, second person ID is 102, third person ID is 103, and last person ID is what exactly? 102. Suddenly management came. They're asking, hey, stand on 102 actually. Management will expect how many persons? One, but how many persons will stand? Conclusion of the story, key should not be a duplicate in dictionary. That point you need to understand. That's what I have given. I'm telling this is the key actually. This is what exactly? Are you getting or not, sir? Now go back. You know, I would like to say here, invalid. Invalid. I mean to say that key should not be duplicate. Key what exactly? Key should not be duplicate actually. Dupe actually. Good. Any questions you can ask me, sir, please. Yeah. In dictionary, duplicate keys are what exactly? Not allowed. Cool. Now move on to the next discussion. This is the first point you need to understand. I hope you understand very clearly. Move on to the next discussion. You can delete this one. Yeah. Again 104. Again the name is a Nirikshan. Again name is what exactly? Is there any universal rule? Hey, no one should not take my name as a Nirikshan actually. Is there any rule? Now, what is the conclusion? You know, value can be duplicate. Value what exactly, sir? But key should not be. Team, are you getting or not, sir? I'm repeating again. In dictionary, we can create a key value pairs. We can create what exactly? Key value pair. But there is a two rules actually. Rule number one, key should not be duplicate. Value can be. duplicate. Value what exactly can be duplicate. You may ask a question. Are Daniel, you are telling key should not be duplicate, right? Key should not be what exactly duplicate. I will insert a duplicate key. What happened? Hold on your anxiety. I will cover that point also as well. Are you getting? Good. Let me talk with online team. Online team, there is no response from any one of you actually. What is going on? Can I get a response, please? Keshua, I'm not sure. I'm not, expert in a cloud actually. But if you're already aware about the cloud, you can compare actually. Good. Let's move on to the discussion. Yeah, these 2 points I covered. A dictionary keys and values can store same type of value and can store what exactly? Different type of value. Yeah, come on, sir. Whenever you are using here you can use any data type. Integer you can use, string you can use, any data type you can use. Same type of value you can use, different type of value also you can use actually. Keys, it can be same type and different type. Values, it can be same type and different type actually. Okay. In dictionary, insertion order is what exactly? One more time. Insertion order is a first. Let us make a note actually. Let us just try to create a small table actually. I just need a insertion order. Fixed, not fixed. I need your help, sir. Please. I'm requesting. What is the first one? Where it is fixed actually? List. Next one is a tuple. Very good. Where it is not fixed actually? Nice. Next one is a dictionary. Very good, sir. Now the point what you need to understand, whenever you are talking about the dictionary, insertion order is a not fixed. Insertion order is what exactly? I mean to say no guarantee. What exactly, sir? No guarantee. We do have items, right? First item, whenever you are inserting, it will be displayed last as well. There is no guarantee actually. Keep in mind that, right? Same thing like yesterday we have seen. But you may think like, we are getting in an order. Sir, that's what I'm telling. No guarantee. I cannot give a guarantee. 101 Nilima, 102 Nirikshan, 103 Uday, 104 Prasad. Insert more key value pairs, then you will understand actually. Move on to the next discussion. Dictionary size will what exactly, sir? Increase dynamically. Now just try to come here. Same thing like that. Here, size feature. What feature actually? Size. Will increase. Will not increase. Will what exactly, sir? Will not increase. Can somebody tell me for what are all it will increase actually? Yeah. What is the first one, sir? List it will increase. Next one, set it will increase. Next one, dictionary. Good. And for which one it will not increase? Sir, one more time. Very good. So keep in mind that whenever you are talking about the size, the feature size is, will increase. The size is a dynamic. Size is what exactly? Dynamic in the sense, hey, Daniel, initially I have created a 10 value. For that, the same 10 value, can I insert two more values? The total 12 values is possible, sir. That is possible actually. For the list, it is possible. Set, it is possible. Dictionary, it is possible. Do you think tuple it is possible? It will throw error. It will throw what exactly? Error. Repeating again, insertion order fixed, list and tuple fixed, not fixed. For what all are not fixed actually? Set and dictionary. Yeah, size, the feature size is, the size will be increased. List data structure, set data structure and dictionary, and will not increase tuple data structure. Keep in mind that. Good. Team, are you getting, sir, everyone? Good. Next point. Dictionary object having mutable nature. Yeah, come on. Mutable. I'm talking about the mutable feature. Mutable. It is what exactly? Not mutable. Instead of not mutable, what I need to tell? Immutable actually. Come on, come on. Now, what are all mutables, sir? I wanted to hear from you. Come and tell me. First one is a list. Sir, tell me, sir. Set. Next one, dictionary. Good. Next one is what exactly? Tuple data. Like this, you need to create. Then it is really very good actually. Like this, you need to create. The table will be so that you can remember very easily. Whenever you're talking about the dictionary, it is having mutable nature. It is having what exactly? Mutable nature. So now you need to think logically. Where are all size is increasing? Where are all mutable nature? Where are all what exactly? Insertion order is a fixed. These are all characteristics and features actually. These are all what exactly? Characteristics and features. That point you need to understand step by step. We are almost very near. Let us enter into the topic. Dictionary data structure cannot store the elements in what exactly? Let me tell you. Where there is no insertion order, there is no topic about what exactly? Index actually. I hope I already covered the point actually. Now I just have to come here. Indexing. Follow. Will not follow. Will follow. Tell me, sir. Will not follow. I just wanted to hear from you. 1 minute. Sorry. Here is follow. Come on, come on, come on. Hmm. Come on, sir. Tell me, what is the first one? List. Next one. Do you think set actually? Sir, who are all telling set? Raise your hand actually. Yeah. Next one is what exactly? Tuple. Insertion order is fixed. Next one is a. Yeah, you can ignore the other stuff. And a set also insertion order is fixed, sir. I'm sorry. Index is a fixed actually. More to the discussion. Index it will follow. Can somebody tell me will not follow the index? What data structure? Set data structure. Next one is a dictionary. Anyway, we are talking about only these data structures, right? Let us other data structures will not involve actually. Indexing nature, list. Over the list data structure, tuple data structure, you can apply the syntax. Indexing syntax you can apply, slicing syntax you can apply. Whenever you're talking about the index, set data structure and dictionary data structure, you should not apply. If you apply, you will get error. If you apply, you will get what exactly, sir? Cool. We done these are all points actually. You have to walk through one by one. Indexing and slicing concepts are not applicable. Cool. I will tell you one by one. Let me repeat one more time. This is practically I didn't prove. I will prove in upcoming example. I know which point I need to cover at what time actually. Let's continue the discussion. Same point I can cover later. When should we go for the dictionary data structure? If you wanted to represent group of objects as a key value pair, then we're supposed to go for dictionary data structure. We already covered actually. I have only individual values. I just wanted to store only student numbers. 101, 102, 103. Go for list data structure. Otherwise, my requirement will be I just wanted to store only names. Go for any data structure, list, set, dictionary, list to set, tuple, anything actually. Okay, but think about the future. Now my requirement will be I just wanted to store the value. I mean to say that key value pair, something like a student ID name, student ID name, student ID name. Then you're supposed to go for one data structure. What is the data structure name, sir? Dictionary. Are you getting, sir? Good. You know, these are all symbols to create a separate data structure. To create a list, we need to use what exactly? Square brackets. So tell me, sir, we need to use square brackets. To create a tuple data structure, we need to use parentheses. To create a set data structure, we need to use. Can somebody tell me why I had written with value? Without value, it will become dictionary. Yesterday we covered actually. I'm repeating again. Are you doing revision daily? If you're not, sir, please spend minimum daily. Let me tell you, today if I done the topic, before going to the bed only, before reaching to the bed, today itself spend 15 minutes. Spend what exactly? Sir, the beauty with material, you can open in your mobile also. Am I right or not, sir? Don't ask how to open, please. You can install Acrobat Reader actually, something like a PDF software you can install, download, and you can just try to have a glance actually. Today topic we have to read at any cost today only, so that you can understand very clearly. Why? Because today once the topic is done, it will be in your brain only. But if you slept and tomorrow, you may miss few points actually. I'm requesting, right? These are all points I no need to tell. You're not a kids actually, but you know the point. Yeah, good. To create a dictionary data structure, we can use what exactly? Curly braces. Whenever you're talking about the syntax, key 1 column value 1 comma key 2 column value 2 comma respectively. Creating a dictionary. Come on, sir. I already covered actually. 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel. Sir, Arjun is my guru. Arjun sir is my guru actually. I learnt big data with him. I respect my guru. I'm not asking you have to respect me, but he's awesome faculty. He's very good faculty. Basically, he's from Bangalore, but currently he's available in the UK actually. Seriously, very good faculty. 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel. Good. Empty dictionary. We can create empty dictionary. Sir, do you want to execute this example? Easy, right? We can create empty dictionary. D equals to, you can just try to provide only curly braces, don't provide any other thing. And a class dict actual. Class what exactly? Sir, by looking at this point, you need to think logically. One topic we will discuss. What is the topic? Any idea? methods in dictionary data structure. What is the topic? Why? Because it is what exactly? Am I right or not? Did you remember that? Good. Sir, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. Please focus on this. The topic name is adding key value pairs to the empty dictionary. First of all, let me create a small list. And how to add a value, any idea? Yeah, very good, sir. Very good. Let me just try to print a and a dot what exactly? A dot what exactly? Append. Hold on. A dot append. Like this, we can add actually. Like this, what exactly? We can add 10 value. Now you can just try to print a. You can just try to print what exactly? Yeah, actually. See, if you wanted to add a value to the list data structure, there is a method. There is what exactly? Method. Do one thing. Take this example. You can just try to apply here. You can just try to get the output actually. Tell me, sir, what is output you are going to get? Yeah, initially empty. Initially what exactly? Empty list data structure. Later on we are adding a value. Later on we are adding what exactly? Value. Can I add one more value? You can add, sir. A dot what exactly? Append. Come on. A dot what exactly? Append. Let us just try to add 22. Good, cool. Yeah. Now take the same example. You can just try to replace here. Now do one thing. Let me create. Yeah, let me just try to recreate. This is the list to data structure. I hope you know. Now let me take a set data structure. What data structure? Set data structure. Sir, I need your help, sir. Come and tell me. Let me create empty set. Do you think empty set we can create like that actually? Tell me how to create. Yeah, very good. So set off like this we can create. Otherwise, just try to come here and let me just try to take a set 10, 20, 30, 40. I just wanted to add one value. How to add, any idea? What is that method? Yeah, print of a. The method name itself is called as a add. A dot add method. A dot append or add, sir? Are you sure? Good. Can I add 40 value? We can, yeah, very good. We can add, but it will not, no response actually. It will not impact anything. Good. It will never throw any error. Right. Now let us just try to execute this example. Whenever you are adding, now please observe this one. It is telling what exactly? Yeah. Now let me just try to change 50. What is output, sir? Tell me. Can you tell the order actual? Yeah, now just try to say 40, 10, 50, 20, 30. Conclusion of the story. What happened? Yeah, good. Whenever you are talking about the list data structure, there are methods to add a value. Keep in mind that one more time. Whenever you are talking about list data structure, set data structure, we do have a methods to add a value. We do have a what exactly? This revision helps you. Now the next topic is what exactly? Let me add key value pair to the dictionary. Let me add what exactly? Key value pair to the dictionary. Good. Now let me create a dictionary. D equals to, yeah, can I say this is the dictionary, sir? Yeah, you can say this is dictionary. Let me print this one. D, exactly, dictionary created successfully. Yeah, very good. Now I wanted to add one key value pair. How many things we need to add, sir? Two things actually. But when I'm talking about the list data structure, single value. Set data structure, single value. Am I right or not, sir? But when I'm talking about the dictionary, it's not like a single value. Two things are mandatory. Two things are what exactly? Mandatory. First one is a key. Next one is a syntax you have to follow. What is the syntax? Just try to come here. D of, here you need to provide key. 1 minute. LHS equals to RHS. What is that one, sir? That syntax you need to follow. LHS equals to what exactly? RHS, that syntax you need to follow. And D of, like this, here you need to provide a key. And here you need to provide value. Here you need to provide what exactly? Now let me show you. D of, let me provide 101 equals to, within double quotes, Neelima. Within double quotes, what exactly? Neelima. Exactly. Exactly like this we need to add actually. Once you do have a data structure, dictionary data structure in your hand, if you wanted to add a key value pair, then D of 101 equals to Neelima. We need to provide like this actually. Guys, are you getting? Can I ask a question? 101 will become what exactly? Key. Neelima will become Do you wanted to see? Let me just try to print this one and execute this example. Wow, interesting. Same thing like that. Can I add one more key value pair actually? Tell me. D of what exactly, sir? 102. Tell me, sir. Nirikshan. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Let us just try to add this one. Good. 101. What is that one? Nilima 102 Nirikshan. Conclusion of the story. Once we created a dictionary, for the dictionary we can add a key value. This exact syntax we need to follow. Specifically, there is no method to add key value pair to the dictionary. Yes, would you have a one method? That method name is called as a update actually. Later I can cover what do you mean by update actually. But let me repeat again. List to data structure to add a value. What is the method name, sir? Append. Set a data structure to add a value. What is the method? Add only. But dictionary, if you wanted to add a, when I'm talking about the adding, two things you need to remember. First one is a key, next one is value. Cool. Come here. I would like to say this is dictionary. Yeah, really nice. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team actually. Online team, are you following, sir? Divya, we can take values at runtime also. Online team, can I get a response, please? Come on, please. Pooja, Tarini, Vijayalakshmi, Sneha, Srikanth. Nice response, please. Only 5 members responded, sir. But today's session, more than 50 members, sir. 46 members joined. Good. Thank you who are all not responding. At least next time also please respond, sir. Please. Now follow the running notes and material. Come on. As we know, we can create empty dictionary. For that empty dictionary, we can add key value pairs actually. D of 10 equals to Ramesh, D of 20 equals to Arjun, D of 30 equals to what exactly? Daniel actually. Good. Sir, damn sure interview question. Very important interview question. Please focus on this one. The question is, what is the question? It is not like a orally they will not ask a question. They will write the code and they will ask actually. How they will write the code, please follow this one. A equals to, you will understand really this is seriously super question. A equals to 10, 20, 30. Next one is what exactly? 40. A of, can I say something like, 1 equals to 99. Do let me know, sir. A. This is what exactly? Print of A. Can somebody tell me what is the output you are going to get? What is the print of A? First time, what is the output? 10, 20, 30, 40. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40. And here, what exactly we are doing? Exactly. A of 1 means 0th index and first index. I don't want this value. What value actually? 20 value. I don't want that value. Instead of that value, can I assign Nirikshan actually? You can assign. Then what is that last? What is output actually? Can somebody tell me? 10, Nirikshan, 30, 40. Cool. Now let us execute this example. Wow, this is seriously awesome. Hold on. Now let me create a one dictionary. B equals to, let me create a one dictionary. After I am creating a dictionary, please observe this one. Here, what exactly I am doing, you have to observe actually. B of 1 equals to, B of what exactly? 1 equals to Nirikshan. Sir, whenever you're not looking at the above code actually, if you are looking at this below code, you may think like A also list data structure, B also list data structure. Am I right or not, sir? There may be a chance. During interview, they may ask a question, hey, explain the code actually. Explain what exactly? Then we have to ask, show the before code actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Why? Because, before code they are covering actually. Conclusion of this story, whenever you are talking about the A is a list to data structure, index of 1, you are replacing with what value? Nirikshan value. Do you think B of 1 is index actually? I will cry, sir. Dictionary data structure indexing is what exactly? Not possible. Then how can you say this is the index actually? Are you getting or not? Good. If you want, let us just try to separate these all discussion. Let me print here is what exactly? B. And let me print here also what exactly B. Did you understand why I'm telling this is very, very important actually? I hope you understand very clearly. This is list to data structure operation. This is what data structure operation? Dictionary data structure operation. But seems to be similar code actually. But you don't no need to get a confused. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let me run this example. Yeah, exactly. So what happens, sir? Why no output actually? Where it went? Repeat. Come again. Yeah, come here. Star symbol. How can you recognize it was not saved actually? Yeah, come here, file and save this example. Now you can just try to come here. Yes, exactly. Perfectly all right. Good. Take this example. You have to please practice this example very well, sir. Move on to the next discussion. Come on, very quickly. This one also interesting. Accessing values by using keys from the dictionary code. Please observe this one. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. I just wanted to access by using indexer. What I need to provide? A of 0. See, I'm always comparing with the previous data structure because you already know that one. That's what I'm comparing. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. Now let us just try to access this one. Very good. Now we are getting this example actually. Accessing values from the list. Accessing values from what exactly? List. Now ignore the discussion. Let me create a dictionary. Let me create what exactly? Dictionary. Get ready. And here, let me just try to create a dictionary like this. First one. 101. Tell me sir name. Neelima. Neelima ma'am. Good. Give a comma. Next one is a 102. Tell me. Nirikshan. Next one is what exactly? 103. Uday. Good sir. Sir, tell me your name, sir. Now I will write for 104 is your name. Tell me spelling, sir. AI J A Z. Very good, sir. Good. Now, what exactly we done? Thank you. Now we have created a dictionary. We have created what exactly? Dictionary. Can I say with the 4 items or 4 pairs actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. No point will be. Let me just try to access this one. Good. We have successfully created a dictionary. Very good. And with the respect of 101 Nilima, item number 1, pair number 1, I mean, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. These are all things actually. Now, what point you need to understand? Yeah, tell me. I'm repeating again, order is not fixed actually, right? There is no guarantee. If you wanted to cross verify, yeah, it will get like this only, sir. Order is not fixed. According to the, yeah, let me tell you. You may ask a question, how I am writing material. How I am writing material. This is a very common question, writing material. Sir, I'm writing my material. First one, by using my experience. By using what exactly? Experience. That is the first point. Next one, by using documentation. By using what exactly? Documentation. Documentation in the sense, for any programming language, definitely there is a documentation. Python documentation. I'm following the Python documentation very carefully. Now just try to come here. Python documentation. You can just try to click on here. This is the documentation, sir. And here you can check the tutorial. But frankly speaking, high technical words they will use actually. Just try to say if statement, for statement. These are all things we have used actually. Am I right or not, sir? I'm repeating again. Dictionary data structure, insertion order is not fixed actually. According to the documentation. According to what exactly? Documentation. And next one is by using Stack Overflow also. By using what exactly? Stack Overflow also. Good, cool. Let us move on. Where are we? What I'm covering? Yeah, previously to access a individual value from the list to data structure by using index we can access. By using what exactly? Index. Can I ask a question? A of 4. Can I give actually? No, sir. What is the error name? Tell me one more time. Very good. Now just try to come here. I have successfully created a one dictionary. 104, Ajaj, 103, Uday, 102, Nirikshan. Now my requirement will be, I wanted to access Nirikshan. I wanted to access what exactly? Nirikshan. Means whenever you're talking about the dictionary, always you need to focus accessing a value. Accessing what exactly? Value. I mean to say that I wanted to access Nilima. I wanted to access Uday. I wanted to access what exactly? Nirikshan. Sir, you know what? If you wanted to access value, you have to talk with the key. You have to talk with what exactly? conclusion of the story, we can access value by using key. By using what exactly? Repeating again. We can access value by using what exactly? Key. Good. Now come here. Print of D of Nirikshan you wanted to access, right? Let us just try to provide 1 or 2. Then indirectly, what exactly happening, you know? D. Yes, it is a dictionary. And 1 or 2. Is there any keys matching? Yes, matching. Indirectly, where are all 1 or 2 is available, that value you are going to print. What you are going to print, sir? Value you are going to print. Now, let us run this example very clearly. Now, please observe this one. Yeah, exactly. What is output you are getting? Do let me know. Nirikshan. Are you getting or not? Conclusion of the story. We can access the values from the dictionary by using what exactly? Key. By using what exactly, sir? Key. Cool. Take this example and you can just try to add here. Now get ready. 103. What is the value? Over there. Good. Sir, 109. What is the result actually? Yeah, very good, man. First of all, is that key is available? No. If key is not available, we'll get a one error. That error name is what exactly? No. One more time. Key error actually. Good. Take this example. You can just try to, you will get key error. What errors are? Key error. Good, good. Seems to be you can feel insertion order is fixed actually. Good point, but no guarantee, sir. If you wanted to see the exact feature, like you can just try to add more values. You can just add what exactly? More values actually. Cool. We can access dictionary values by using keys. Keys plays very important role while you are accessing the data. While you are accessing what exactly? Data actually. Good. Now, for your kind information, let me write here. One more dictionary, let me create. Info. I'm creating a one dictionary. I'm creating one dictionary. What dictionary I'm creating? First one, models. What are all models I'm creating? List of. First one is Samsung. Next one is iPhone. Next one is Nokia. Good. Next one is prices. Next one is what exactly, sir? Prices. Good. Equals to Samsung, assuming that $1,000 actually. iPhone, $2,000. And Nokia, assuming that $3,000 actually. Good. Now, you know what exactly I'm doing? I have created a one dictionary. I have created what exactly, sir? One dictionary. But here, this is not like a normal dictionary. Such a nice dictionary. What exactly I'm doing? I'm sorry, sir. Here is not a equal symbol. I'm sorry. What symbol actually? Column symbol. I'm extremely sorry. Now, please observe this one. Models, price. Can somebody tell me how many keys would you have? Two keys. Tell me one more time. What are all key names actually? Models, prices. Good. When I'm talking about the models, all models I'm storing inside list data structure. Inside what data structure? List data structure. Seriously, very good. We can store like this. When I'm talking about the all model prices, I'm storing by using again what exactly? List data structure. Conclusion of the story. Whenever you're talking about the dictionary, values you can store by using list. Values you can store by using what exactly? The same point I can cover during, tell me, data analysis. What is that one actually? Data analysis. Now let us just try to execute this example. This is still valid example, sir. Run this example. See, models: Samsung, iPhone, Nokia, and prices: 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Sir, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Get ready. I have a question for you. I wanted to access only mobile names, sir. I wanted to access only mobile names. How to access actually? Info of, here what I need to provide? Models. What I need to provide actually? Models actually. You can just try to provide this one. And now run this example. You can just try to check this one, sir. Sorry. Within double quotes, this is really required. And execute this example. All right. Did you understand what exactly I'm writing actually? I hope you're getting right. Good. Now take this example. Come on, move on to the next example. Let me connect with online team. Can I take more than one value for the single key? Good, Bhupesh. I don't know. Oh my God. A long back you have asked the question. I didn't see. But now your question answered actually. Good. Man, this is again important. Dictionary, all points are important, man. Keep in mind that all points are important actually. Get ready. Let me create again dictionary. Otherwise, let me take the previous dictionary only. Come on. Let me take the previous dictionary only. Good. Take this one. Please focus. This is the very, very important. First of all, I would like to repeat one more point. That point literally helps you. Please focus on here actually. What is the point I am repeating? Sir, I wanted to access this name. How to access actually? Can somebody tell me? D of, tell me, sir, 104. I wanted to access this name. How to access actually? D of 103. Good. Now let us just try to access one more time. I hope you already know this one, but let me just try to repeat this example. Good. We got these two names. Please remember this example very carefully. Now the next example having the relationship about this example actually. What is the next example? Come on. Now, sir, value is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good. Can somebody tell me? I just wanted to access one by one value. How to access actually? Tell me, sir. By using for loop actually. Good. For I in A, I in what exactly? A. Then I can print what exactly? I. Am I right or not? Good. Let us just try to apply this here actually. Good. All values we are getting. Sir, you know what? For loop we can apply anywhere. List data structure you can apply. Tuple data structure you can apply. Set data structure you can apply. Let us apply on dictionary. Let us apply in what exactly? There is a small surprise you can see. What is the surprise? I can tell you actually. Now go back, take these are all names actually. Please focus. Interesting example. Yeah, here dictionary is the object actually. Now let me apply for loop. Let me apply what exactly? For loop. For I in D. I in what exactly? Come on, tell me. For I in D actually. Column. Sir, what I need to print actually? Very good. What I need to print? I. Interesting. Are you ready? Can I run this example? If you say you are ready, then only I will run, sir. Why? Because anyway you are not responding, right? At least by this time you need to respond. Can I press enter button? Are you ready? What is expected output? Sir, whenever you are applying for loop over the dictionary, please remember for loop will try to access only keys from the dictionary. For loop will try to access what exactly? Only keys actually. How many keys would you have? Tell me. 4 keys. Tell me what are all keys names? 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. Important interview question. For loop we can apply over the dictionary. But remember that whenever you are applying for loop over the dictionary, for loop can touch only keys. Only what exactly? For loop will tell values I don't want actually. It will try to access only. It will try to access what exactly, sir? Only these are all. If you want, let me draw one diagrammatic representation. Maybe not required for you, but I don't know. I'm sensing I wanted to write one diagram actually. Sir, it's a very simple, sir. Assuming that dictionary is such a big object. Inside this object, what exactly happening? Here the first object is creating. When I'm talking about here, the first object will be what is this one? This is called as a key. This is called as what exactly, sir? Key. This is called as a, oh seriously, all my settings changed actually. This is what exactly, sir? Key. This is what exactly? Value. And what is the first key? 101. What is the value? Seems to be Nilima. Good. Nilima. Good. So let me just try to take one more box, sir. As of now, let me just try to take one more box. And this inside this box, what exactly it will store, 102 or else 103. Assuming that 103. What is the value? Vodai. Good. Now, can I say this the key one? This what exactly? Key two. This what exactly? Valued. Sir, whenever you are applying for loop will try to access only key from here actually. What is the key actually? 101. What is the key actually here? 102. Good. Keep in mind that. Now, let us just try to execute this example. Now, let me ask you one question. What is the question? Instead of I, can I use K value? Can I use what exactly? Somewhat more sense, right? Somewhat what exactly? K means what is the representation? Key. We can think like that. Right. Now K. Execute this example. Sir, now think logically. In your hand, we'd have all keys. We'd have what exactly? Can we access values by using keys actually? Can we access values by using keys? We can access. How to access? Just to give a comma. D of, can somebody help me what I need to provide here? Exactly, man. Exactly. Why? Because first to time what it is trying to coming 101. Okay, it is getting printing 101. Then indirectly you are saying D of 101. D of 101 means what exactly? You're trying to accessing value. You're trying to accessing what exactly? Can I access like that? You can access. I will explain the example one more time. Please focus. Now, please, seriously, very good actually. 101 Nilima, 102 Nirishan, respectively, other values as well. Team, are you getting or not, sir? Good, good. We'll do one thing. Let us just try to add here. And, so two examples. One is without this. And the next one is, come on. Good. I'm repeating one more time. I need your response, boss, please. Yeah. Now products equals to, get ready. Let me create a small dictionary, sir. What is the first product? Samsung. The price will be $1,000. Next one, iPhone. The price will be, assuming that, $2,000. Next product, Nokia. The product will be $3,000, assuming that. Now let me just try to print. What I can print, sir? Tell me. Products code. What happened? Okay. We have to provide the symbol, comma symbol. We need to provide code. Yeah, exactly. We are getting. Any questions? No questions. We know this example very well. But sir, let me apply for loop. Let me apply what exactly? For loop actually. Now just try to come here. I need your response. For key in, tell me. Products. Very good. Now if I'm printing K, what exactly it is printing? Tell me everyone. Samsung, iPhone, Nokia. All models it is printing. Am I right or not? Sir, while printing the model names, it is not printing the price actually. While printing the model name, I just wanted to print the price also. But price value is available with the value representation. What representation? Value representation. In your hand, would you have a key? Would you have what exactly? If you know the key, you can get the value. You can get what exactly? Now just try to come here. What is your dictionary name? Products. And here square brackets. What you need to provide here, sir? Okay, exactly, man. You catch the point actually. Now just try to check this one. This is seriously super. Hope you are under. I will not explain one more time actually. Are you getting everyone? Are you getting or not, sir? Good. I'm kidding, man. I'm ready to explain 100 times also. Your understanding really matters for me. Let us continue. Where are we, sir? What is the time? 6:30. Good. Let me give a small agenda. We are in dictionary, right? We are in dictionary. Maybe tomorrow we are going to close the dictionary. Thursday. And tomorrow, second of, I mean to say that tomorrow at exactly 6 p.m. we are going to start object-oriented programming. Why? Because Muhurtam is really good actually. Just I'm kidding. After we done all this data structure, object-oriented programming we are going to start. Object-oriented programming is a very important. On an average, it take 3 days session. How many days session? 3 day session. The session goes till Monday actually. Then one more topic is pending. What is the topic? Package. Package just a matter of on an average 30 minutes. Monday, Tuesday. Sir, don't miss again exactly Wednesday session. Why? Because Wednesday we are going to start actual data science. The topic name is called as a data analysis. What is the topic name? Data analysis. Very important. But to understand about the data analysis, ensure that you should be strong in all Python fundamentals. What I covered actually. Please, I'm requesting all topics again one more time. Do revision actually. Especially end of the Python, I will start what are all topics are important, like a data structures, flow control, string, functions, oops. These are all very important, man. If you don't know variables, that is okay. If you don't know data types, that is okay, acceptable. If you don't know Python introduction, also okay. What I mean to say, hello boss, I don't know Python introduction, I'm a data scientist, I can believe. But if you are saying I'm a data scientist, but I don't know data structure, I will think, I will think like, you're throwing biscuit actually. You're throwing what exactly? Conclusion of the story, you should know few fundamentals very strong actually. Data structures, functions, whoop, string, flow control, these are all topics actually. End of the Python, kindly remind me. I will list out important topics. Please prepare the topics very well before we are entering into the data analysis topic. What topics are? Data analysis topic. Are you getting everyone? Good man. Let's continue. Yeah. We done these are all example. I hope I done this one. Move to the next one. Updating dictionary. What is the next one? Updating dictionary. Go back. Let me give a small 2 minutes revision. 2 minutes revision. Important. Why? Because yeah, I started the discussion regarding the dictionary data structure. If you wanted to represent group of individual objects as a single entity, then we should go for the below data structure. List set on what exactly? Tuple. But I just wanted to store the values. I just wanted to store the objects in terms of key value pair representation. What representation? Key value pair. Then you're supposed to go for dictionary. Whenever I'm talking about Java, if anyone is coming from Java programming language, the same dictionary is called as a map. The same dictionary is called as what exactly? Map. If anyone is coming from C++ programming language, the same dictionary is called as a container. What is that one? I mean to say that in all programming languages, would you have this topic actually? Only the name is changed. What is changed, sir? Name is the change actually. Dictionary, we can create a dictionary data structure by using curly brace and by using dict predefined function. What function? For this dict predefined function, we need to provide list of tuples. What is exactly list of tuples? We can cover later that example. Dictionary data structure contains key value pairs. In dictionary, key value pairs are separated by using a column symbol. One key value pair is called as a item. Every item is separated by comma symbol. Duplicate keys are, sir, tell me one more time. Duplicate keys are, duplicate values, yellowed actually. That discussed now I'm going to continue. These 2 points is the coming point actually. Hold on. Dictionary keys and values, same type and different type also you can store. Dictionary keys and values, same type and different type also we can store. Dictionary insertion order is what exactly? Not fixed. Size is dynamic. Having what nature? Having what nature, sir? Yeah, cannot follow indexing. Where there is no insertion order, there is no topic of what exactly? Indexing. Cool. This point we will understand. When should we go for the dictionary? I already explained. Yeah, we are creating a dictionary with the key and values actually. Empty dictionary we can create like this. We can add key value pairs to the empty dictionary. We can add. This is the syntax actually. This is what exactly? Syntax, sir. I can move on. Revision is not required for me, frankly speaking. If you want to go back, data science last topic also I'm capable to explain. Machine learning, this topic also I'm capable to explain. Because I retain material. I know. Revision is helping for you. Please focus. While I'm doing revision, literally, please focus actually. Revision literally helps you. We can add a key value pair to what exactly? Empty dictionary. Next one. Accessing values by using a keys from dictionary. If you wanted, what are the values here? Ramesh is a value, Arjun is a value, Daniel is a value. I just wanted to access a Ramesh, Arjun, Daniel. Can I access? It is possible actually. How to access? By using keys. By using what exactly? Keys we can access. Yeah. Can I apply for loop over the dictionary? Sir, you can apply. For loop you can apply in any data structure. You can apply in string, range, all data structure. But remember one thing, if you are applying for loop over the dictionary, for loop can touch only keys. For loop will ignore values actually. For loop will ignore what exactly? The beauty with the dictionary is, if you know the key, you can access the value. If you know what exactly key, you can access value. That point we already know. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, good. Let's move on. We done this one. Yeah. Now let's continue. Sir, very, very important, sir. Damn sure enter a question. Very, very important. Damn sure enter a question. Please focus on this one. Now, what exactly we are doing, we are trying to updating the existing dictionary. We are trying to updating what exactly? existing dictionary. First of all, let me print the existing dictionary. Take the names. Previously, we have taken the names, right? Let me take this one, sir. Let me take this one. Get ready, please. Focus. Let me just try to print this T. Yeah, as usual, we are getting, all keys and values actually. What all keys would you have? 101, respectively 104, and a Nilma, starting name to till what exactly? Last name. Cool. Right. Now, hello, Daniel. Scenario, there are two scenarios you need to understand. Case number one. In a case number one, what exactly I'm doing, please focus. Already would you have a dictionary? Let me add one item. Let me add what exactly? One item. This item indicates to D of, please focus on this one, 105. What I'm adding actually? 105 equals to Prasad. Equals to what exactly? Prasad. Now let me just try to print actually. Sir, I hope you already know this scenario. I'm repeating one more time. First of all, we have created a dictionary. Once you created a dictionary, we are trying to adding one key value pair. What is the key here? Tell me. Sir, tell me everyone. Whenever it is adding one item to the dictionary, internally Python interpreter, what exactly it will do, First of all, what key you are adding? 105. Is that key is available in the dictionary or not? It will cross verify. 105, no. 101, not matching. 105, 102, not matching. 103, not matching. 104, not matching. If key is not available, then only the whole item is going to add into the dictionary. If key is not available, then only the whole item is going to add into what exactly? Dictionary. So according to the discussion, can somebody help me? 105, what exactly? Prasad. Did you understand? Yeah, good. This is scenario number one. Case number one. Now let me tell you, I hope you already got it actually. Case number two. Please focus on this. Case number two. As usual, let me just try to print a dictionary once actually. And you can just try to observe the dictionary. Cool. This is the dictionary. Good. Now, hey Daniel, I'm planning to add one item. Yes, you can add, sir. This is the syntax actually. Here you need to provide a key, and here you need to provide what exactly? Value you need to provide. Here you need to provide a key, and here you need to provide what exactly? Value. After that, you can print D actually. Cool. Now, key value, let me provide as a Prasad. Let me provide what exactly? Prasad or else a Ramesh. Let me just try to provide as a Ramesh. Now, key, previously what value I have given? What key I have given? 105. Let me give 102. Let me give what exactly? Interesting point. This point you need to focus actually. Previously, whenever you are adding any item to the dictionary, if key is not available in the dictionary, then the total item it is taking and it is adding into the dictionary. But now this scenario, 102 key already would you have? Am I right or not, sir? 102 already would you have actually? What exactly you are planning? If already key is available, remember that one. Old value will be replaced with new value. Old value will be replaced with what exactly? What is the old value? Nirikshan. So tell me, sir, what is the new value? Now, old value is going to replacing with what exactly? New value. Yeah, Nirikshan is going to replacing with what exactly? Ramesh. Wow, that point you need to understand very clearly. Conclusion of the story: whenever you are adding a item to the dictionary, backend a small comparison will be happen. That comparison is, if key is not existing in the dictionary, then it will add. Scenario number one. Scenario number two, boss, there is a scenario. Key is already available. Key is what exactly? If key is already available, then old value will be replaced with what exactly? New value. Sir, are you getting? Yeah, cool. Right? Yeah. Take this example. I will read one by one. Please hold on. $640. Good. We are in the track actually. Am I going speed actually? No, right? Sir, am I going speed? Yeah, yeah. Please walk through. we can update the key in a dictionary. We can update key in what exactly? Dictionary. D of key equals to value. While updating the key in a dictionary, if key is not available, then a new key will be added at end of the what exactly? Dictionary with the specific value. While updating the key in a dictionary, if key is already existing, then old value will be replaced with what exactly, sir? New value. Just try to check it out here. D of 10, 20, 30. 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel. This is the old dictionary. D of 99 equals to what exactly? John. Added a key value 99 and join pay to what exactly? Dictionary. After appending, after updating the dictionary, we are printing here 99 and join we are getting adding actually. Case number 2. Sir, D of 30 available, not matching. 30 is not matching. 30 is not matching. Oh my god, 30 is matching actually. What is the value? Now the old value is the Daniel. What is the new value? Chandu. Daniel is going to replace him with what exactly? Chandu. I hope you already covered this point. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Removing or deleting elements from the dictionary. Removing or deleting what exactly? Elements from the dictionary. Please focus on this one. A bit important actually. Let us maintain heading also. Might be helpful for you. Good. So today I need to discuss about one small keyword. That keyword name is a DEL. What is that keyword name actually? DEL. Sorry. DEL is a keyword. In real time, we never ever use, sir. Even in real time, I didn't use actually. But there is a purpose. You know, we can, if you want, still you can use actually. First of all, let me tell you. First of all, DEL is a keyword. Is what exactly? Keyword. Python always follows shortest notation. The full form of DEL is, any idea? DEL is what exactly? Delete actually. Good. The purpose is we can, by using this keyword, we can delete or remove any variable. Any what exactly, sir? Variable. Let me show you small example. Let me show you. First of all, understand this example. Ignore the dictionary data structure. Please focus on this. A equals to 10. Print of A. Print of what exactly? A. I hope you understand. Let me just try to execute this example very quickly, sir. Come on. Let me just try to run this example. All right. We are getting actually. Can I say A is a variable? A is what exactly? Variable. 10 is a value. Cool. Good. Very good. Now, DEL, I'm applying one keyword, sir. You know, DEL here, RHS is required. What is required actually? RHS means what exactly? You know, variable name. What you need to provide? Variable name you need to provide. Let me provide the, what is the variable name as of now? A. Sir, what exactly we are doing, you know? First of all, we have created a variable. My variable name is A. My variable name is what exactly? A. We are printing that variable. It is okay. Once you are printing that variable, you are trying to deleting the existing variable. First of all, this is possible. Syntactically possible actually. Till to this line valid. Sir, you know, once the variable deleted, let me tell you, whenever you are creating a variable, this variable will be created in PVM. In where exactly? PVM. What is the PVM? Any idea? Python virtual machine. One more time. Python virtual machine. In a Python virtual machine, there is a call as a heap memory. What memory, sir? Heap memory. Instead of that one, in memory, a variable will be created successfully. Once the variable created in a heap memory, it will be stick with the heap memory. Then what exactly you're doing? DEL of A means you're trying to deleting from the heap memory. Variable will be, you know, trashed actually. Variable will be flushed out. Variable will be deleted automatically. Sir, once variable deleted, please don't touch that variable actually. Why? Because that variable is already deleted. That variable is already what exactly? If variable is not available, then what is error name? Any idea? Very good, man. One more time. Last time. Are you getting? I hope you are getting why name error actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now let us just try to run this example. Yeah, just try to see. First time it is printing 10 value because of the first print statement actually. Yeah, in DEL of A means that variable is deleted. After deleting, you are trying to printing A. Now here print of A, you are getting what error actually? Name error. Sir, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Conclusion of the story. DEL is a keyword. By using that, we can delete variable. We can delete what exactly? This is the one way. And let me show you one more way, sir. Let me show you one more example. Please, your attention really matters. I kind request actually. I have a one question, get ready. Sir, let me ask a question. I wanted to delete exactly 10 value. Exactly what value? 10 value. Are you getting? I wanted to delete 10 value. How to delete actually? A of, very good man, A of 0. Now just try to come here. Very good. You catch my point actually. I expected the same thing from you. Wow, good. 10 value deleted actually. Am I right? Take the same thing. Now, dictionary. What I'm writing, sir? Dictionary. Get ready for this one. 101. Let us just try to write a value. 102. Let us just try to write a B value. And next one is what exactly? 103. Let me just try to write a C value. Sir, my question will be, get ready. Seems to be this looks pretty good rather than previous syntax. Come on, come on. Sir, my question will be, get ready. I wanted to delete this one, sir. How to delete actually? Come again? Do you think A of 0? I will cry. Why? Because dictionary is index is possible? No. Then here what I need to provide? 102. Perfectly all right, man. Now let me tell you. If you wanted to if you wanted to delete an item from the dictionary, we can delete item. We can delete what exactly? Whenever you're talking about the list data structure, single value you can delete. But whenever you're talking about the dictionary, sir, key value, both it will be deleted actually. Am I right or not? That's the fact actually. By using DL keyword, you can delete items. By using DL keyword, we can delete what exactly? Just try to check it out. Are you getting? Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Take this example. Now get ready. I have a one question. Get ready. I have a one question. In another 5 minutes, actually, then I am going to close the discussion. Now tell me what is output, man. Very good, sir. Tell me one more time. Last time. Why name error? Tell me. Initially we are printing. Then later we are deleting complete sweep out the dictionary. After deleting, can I print actually? No. Then we will get what error? Name error. Just try to see. We are getting what exactly? Name error. Very good. I mean to say that, hey, if you wanted to delete items, if you wanted to delete items from the dictionary, there are two ways. Deleting items from dictionary. Deleting items from what exactly? Dictionary. By using DL keyword. By using what keyword, sir? DL keyword. Next one is by using clear method. By using what method actually? Clear method. By using these two, we can delete actually. Let me show you that. Come on. Now just try to come here. Method I didn't cover, right? But anyway, I hope you know the syntax actually. A dot clear. A dot what method actually? Clear. Now just try to see here. Now let me tell you. Print of A, all dictionary items it will be getting printing. A dot clear means clear is a predefined method in a dictionary. Clear is what exactly, sir? Predefined method. Then I'm talking about the method. Method we can access by using object. By using what exactly? That point is important, sir. Whenever you are calling the clear method, it will delete all items and it returns empty dictionary. It returns what exactly? Empty dictionary. Now let me just try to check this one. Exactly. Just try to please focus. Sir, are you getting? Good, man. Easy. Very easy, boss. Your attention really matters. Kindly please follow the material. By using DL keyword, we can remove the keys actually. But let me tell you, in real time, DL keyword we are not at all using. Not at all using. You may ask a question. If you are not using, why they created actually? I know about you actually, sir. When you're talking about the Python you can use for web application development. What development actually? Web application development. Next one is the data science application development. Python we can use for web application development, and next one is what exactly? Data science application. In data science application, DL keyword we are not using. In web application, DL keyword we are using. I do have a both experience actually. I worked as a web developer also, right? Front end, back end, middleware, these are all. By using DL keyword, I hope you understand this example. Come on, cool. Yeah, we can delete the total dictionary, DL of name of the dictionary, DL of D we can delete actually. What is error name? Name error. Tell me one more time, sir. Next one, length function. Sir, this is important. Please focus. Observe this one. Uh, Print off. Yeah, tell me, sir. Yeah, yeah, exactly, sir. The reason will be, let me tell you, DEL of A whenever you are printing a good question. Here, the name of the variable is clearing from the heap memory. Clearing from what exactly? Heap memory. That's what it is throwing. What exactly? Name error. But if you're applying a dot clear, sir, clear method, it will access the dictionary and it will sweep out all these values. Still, would have a empty dictionary. Still, would have what exactly? Empty dictionary. Getting right? I mean to say that clear method never throw any error. Clear method, it returns the empty dictionary. It returns what exactly? Empty dictionary. Good. So this point is important, boss. Please focus. Print of equals to, tell me, 10, 20, 30. Print of A. Print of length of A. Length of what exactly? A actually. Please focus. Now let me just try to print 10, 20, 30. And what is the result? 3. Sir, what is the result? What is the result here actually? Error. What is the error name? Name error. Cool. Now tell me what is the result actually? 3. Good. I hate 2. Why 2, sir? Please cross verify. You have to prepare actually. Come on. 10, 20, 30. Good. 3 is the result actually. Good. Now let me create a dictionary. Let me create what exactly? Dictionary. Number of values from the list. Now just try to come here. Let me make it. This one is a A actually. Sir, you know what? Length is a predefined function. Don't think like length function will do the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. Please don't be smart actually. Whenever you are applying length function will count number of items in a dictionary. Number of what exactly? So tell me, sir, number of items. How many items would you have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you want for your kind information, 104. Next one is what exactly, sir? D. Let me add here. Now run this example. Expected output is what exactly? 4. Good. All right then. And I'm sure next topic is a methods and dictionary, maybe. Yeah, fine, sir. This will continue tomorrow. How session is going? Fine, right? You are able to connect actually. Very easy. Yeah. Let's continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, initially 5 to 10 minutes, I will give a small revision. Once we done that revision, I will continue the session, sir. Good. And I hope I need to upload the material, running notes. Material I already uploaded actually. Good. Let me, sir, tomorrow, let me explain the agenda. Tomorrow, dictionary data structure takes on an average just a matter of 30 minutes discussion. 30 minutes actually. Once we done that, the famous and very, very important topic, that to my favorite topic actually, we're entering. Topic name is a object-oriented programming. If anyone already know Python, I'm sure you'll understand many things actually. And if anyone don't know about the object-oriented programming language, get ready, sir. Tomorrow you are going to become master in OOPS actually. Get ready. Very, very important, right? Please follow my fundamentals. All right. Let me upload running notes, please. Please follow the session regularly. Come to the session at right time, please. If it is somewhat some emergency, that is okay. And don't miss the regular session. If any chance, if you are missing some emergency, you can at least over online. You can at least attend over what exactly, sir? If you are unable to attend online also, please, consider that you have to follow previous sessions also, sir. I'm requesting. Overall, let me tell you, till date I cannot tell one point actually. What is that point? Either up to you, you can go for with recordings or without recordings. Am I right or not, sir? Repeating again, that is up to you. You can go for with recording or else what exactly without recording. Who are all going for with recording? One advantage is there. What is advantage? That is up to you. Revision. What is that advantage, sir? One or two times if you are hearing the session, I'm sure, man. The point will be you can explain the topics to someone. Now it's a right time. Let me tell you. Now you are learning, right? Try to explain the topics to your friends. That is really good pattern. Frankly speaking, really good pattern actually. That indirectly helps you. Tomorrow you are going to attend the interview. During interview, how to explain, what to explain. These are all things you will understand very clearly. And anyway, the session starts at what exactly offline team? 5:30, right? Come to the session exactly at maybe 4 or 4:30. You can, would you have a lab actually? You can bring your laptop, do 1 hour practice. That would be really great actually. Would you have a mentors? These are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Please. 5:30. Running notes. Let me upload. Third John. Fine, sir. We're done for today's session. Okay. All right. The agenda will be tomorrow. We are going to close the dictionary data structure and we are going to start object oriented programming. And I may covered previously. If you wanted to understand about object oriented programming language, 4 points is important. First one is how to create a class, how to create a method inside of the class, how to create an object to a class, how to call a method. These are all 4 points. You will become expert. Tomorrow I will start explanation from first of all, what is a class? Why we supposed to go for class? Till now I didn't give in the definition. Tomorrow I will give on an average 2 to 3 definitions for the class. Get ready for that. Don't miss tomorrow's session, at least for tomorrow actually, right? We done for today's session. Thank you for attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please take care. Online team, we done for today's session, sir.